Champ Term Book, Series 5. Term 1, Science. Chapter 2, Reproduction in Plants. You have already studied that all living things can reproduce. Plants, too, can reproduce as they are living things. Plants reproduce in different ways. Plants having flowers reproduce from seeds. Plants like mushrooms and molds reproduce from spores. Some plants reproduce from their different parts such as leaves, stems and roots. There are two types of reproduction in plants. 1. Vegetative reproduction. 2. Reproduction from seeds. Vegetative reproduction. In vegetative reproduction, a new plant grows from some vegetative part of the parent plant such as root, stem or leaf. A. Plants growing from stems. Sometimes a plant can be grown from pieces of stem. These pieces have 1 or 2 buds on them. These pieces are known as stem cutting. When this cutting is put into the soil, a new plant grows after some days. Plants like hibiscus, rose, bougainvillea and sugarcane are generally grown by taking their stem cuttings. Plants like potato and ginger are reproduced from their underground stem. They have small buds on them. The buds of these plants are thick and fleshy. B. Plants growing from their roots. Roots of some plants like sweet potato grow into new plants. C. Plants growing from their leaves. Plants like bryophyllum reproduce through their leaves. The buds present along the edges of their leaves. New plants reproduce from their buds. The leaves of the bryophyllum plants are thick and fleshy. Reproduction from seeds. Most plants grow from seeds which are generally present inside fruits. Some fruits like mango have only 1 seed. Some fruits like tomato and papaya have many seeds. Seeds of different plants are of different shapes and sizes. Germination. The growing of a baby plant from a seed is called germination of seed. A seed requires some basic conditions to germinate. These are 1. Air. 2. Water. 3. Warmth. But during the rainy season, when all the conditions necessary for the germination of seeds are favorable, seeds begin to germinate and we find many green baby plants growing around us. The following picture shows the different stages of the germination of a seed systematically. During the process of seed germination, the embryo gets its food from the cotyledons. Dispersal of seeds. We know that most of the plants produce many seeds. What happens if all of them germinate under parent plant? In this condition, they would grow in such crowded condition that most of them would die due to lack of sunlight, food and water. So they need to separate from their parent plants. They require to disperse, as we know that plant cannot move from one place to another. Therefore, nature helps the seeds to move away from the parent plant. This process of spreading of seeds to different places by natural agents like wind, water, animals is called dispersal of seeds. Dispersal by wind. Most light seeds are spread by wind. These seeds have fine tuft of hairs or wings on them. These help them to be carried by wind, from one place to another. Dispersal by animals. Animals and human beings eat some fruits like mango, papaya and apple and throw away the seeds of these fruits. These seeds can germinate. Seeds of some plants have spikes or hooks. These seeds get carried away by animals or human beings. For example, cocklebun seeds. Dispersal by water. The seeds and fruits of plants which grow in water or near water are dispersed by flowing water. Coconut fruits fall into the water and carried away by water to a distant place. Due to the fibrous outer covering, coconut fruit can float on water. The lotus has a spongy and light fruit which can float on water and carried away to other places by flowing water. Explosion. Fruits like pea, balsam and mustard burst open when they become dry. These seeds pop out and get scattered away from the parent plants.